So hello everyone, welcome to another video of this Python lecture series. And today we are going to learn about a program using strings. So basically, this is an example which is in which we are going to apply the concepts that we have learned in the past two videos. So in the previous video, we have already learned about the string library functions and their usage. So let's get started. First, we have our overview. So in this lecture, we are going to see a program based on strings, which will further deepen our understanding of this topic. Here we will see a good program based on the topic of reversing the words in a given string. So now we're going to see how to reverse words in a given string. So if we have a string S, our task is to reverse S. So we have an example here. So if S is bits Pilani, our output should be Pilani bits. So now we're going to see our solution. So in Python, you can reverse the words of a string by using the split method to break the string into words, reversing the order of words using this method, and then joining them back together by using join method. So here we are in this code, we are gonna define a function which is gonna reverse words in a string S. So in the first line of code, we're gonna split the string into words. After that, in the second line of code, we're gonna reverse the order of words. Then we are gonna return the string after joining the words. So in the third line, basically we are joining the words back into a string. So we can use this function to reverse the words in a string. So if we write print and then our function and then the string, which is bits Pilani here, our output will be Pilani bits. So now we are gonna see this code in Google Colab. Okay, so now we are in Google Colab, and here we are going to see how to implement our function that we have already seen in our slides. So here we have our function reverse words and we have the string S. So we have already seen these lines of codes. So in the first line, we are splitting the word in the string, then we are reversing the words, then we are returning the string after joining the words. Here we are printing the string is bits Pilani here, and in this block of code we are taking input from the user so that we can reverse the words in the string given by the user. So let me run this once. So here we can see that bits Pilani has been reversed, and if I enter string, for example hello world, and if I press enter, it's going to return world hello. So our function is working properly. Thank you very much.